Due to massive flooding brought by recent typhoons in Marikina City, Mayor Marcy Teodoro announced a one-month class suspension to help parents and students recover from the devastating effects of typhoons. The full details of this report from PTV's Karen Villanda.
After the onslaught of Typhoon Ulysses, learning modules were hung out to dry together with the usual laundry in a house in Marikina City. These modules were not spared as they sank and soaked in floodwaters. That's why even the grandmother of this grade 4 honor student still cannot get over it. Her grandson even advanced answered questions on his module the night before the typhoon struck.
Yun lang hindi niya sinagutan muna. Ang ano niyan, kasi dapat for 3 weeks yan eh. Eh syempre yung bata gusto maglaro, mama tapusin ko na ito lahat. Tinapos niya ng yung 3 subject na yan.
Malungkot po.
Bakit?
Yung mga pinaghirapan ko po nabasa po.
The mayor of Marikina City felt the hardship of his constituents, most especially the parents and students. That's why he announced the suspension of classes in Marikina City and its eventually resumption in January 2021. Yesterday, he suspended the school classes for 1 month, effective immediately, and he also managed to advance the date of the Christmas break for the city to December 16 in a meeting with the Department of Education also yesterday.
Ito'y mabibigyan ng tamang panahon ang ating mga kababayan para i-rebuild, buuin muli yung kanilang buhay. Hindi lang naman paglilinis ang nasira, higit sa lahat yung economic opportunity nila
Moreover, the official asked for the help of the companies to hire and provide work for his constituents after their livelihood and or sources of income sunk and got swept away for good by the floods. What was left were tons of garbage that easily surpassed the city's total annual collection.
Masangsang po, tapos ang kati sa, sa paa, nagkaalipunga nga po ako eh.
Due to this, Marikina LGU approved an emergency purchase of medicine for leptospirosis last Friday.
Pinamamahagi na natin ito doon sa mga pangulo ng mga samahan sa iba't ibang komunidad para mas mabilis na maipamahagi doon sa mga tao.
Marikina Mayor also emphasized the efforts of the other government agencies and LGUs who've them to withstand yet another storm and challenges they bring.
Yung bayanihan is present at this point in time. Yun yung sinasabi ni Pangulo hindi natin pwedeng yasa lang sa pamahalaan, kundi kailangan kumilos tayo at the level of the community. Based on our experience of Undoy, we're able to move things a little faster now.
To stem the increase of the 113 COVID-19 cases in Marikina, a 60% capacity in evacuation centers is being closely monitored because there are still more than 15,000 individuals staying in evacuation centers. Karen Villanda for The Nation.